Social media on Voxy Mobile is unlimited. ULIN!
Not even close.
Let's... Alright, Everly. Since we are at the beach, let's fly over the ocean and try to find Gabe's Slacker's profile picture.
Alright, Penelope. This shouldn't be too hard to find.
Pixie dust. Away. The Slacker's profile picture.
Huh, that's strange. I thought it would be over here somewhere. Oh look! A magic wand. Maybe that can help us find Gabe's profile picture. Penelope, let's grab the magic wand.
Good thinking, Everly. Let's see if that magic wand can help us. Whoa! Yay! We found Gabe's profile picture.
Yes! We did it!
All right, Brenda and Everly, your dad and I are going to the movies to see the Bike Riders, but you girls can't come because the movie is rated R, and since we couldn't find you girls a babysitter, you both will stay the night at Penelope's house.
Wow! Thank you, Mom.
Hey, Everly, who's Penelope?
Well, Brenda, Penelope is my best friend that I met on my first day of kindergarten.
Okay.
All right, Brenda, this is Penelope's house, and yes, there is a fire alarm system installed in her house because her big brother Chris installed it all by himself.
Well, Everly, at least Chris is keeping the house safe with the fire alarm system.
Now, Brenda, I will warn you that Penelope's big brother Chris is a troublemaker, so he may cause some trouble while we are here.
Oh. I hope Penelope's parents can keep Chris under control.
But other than that, we are going to have a great sleepover tonight.
Have a great time, girls.
See you later, Mom and Dad. All right, Brenda, let's go up and ring the doorbell.
Oh boy. I'm so excited to have a sleepover with Everly. Oh boy. She's here. Hi, Everly.
Hello, Penelope. This is my older sister, Brenda.
Hi there, Brenda. I'm Penelope. Nice to meet you, Penelope.
Hey, Penelope, when I rang the doorbell, I heard a Westminster chime that sounded like the one on the Raoul and Telecenter ICS instead of the other one.
Yeah, we had to get a new doorbell because Chris destroyed our old one.
I am going to destroy the doorbell.
So yeah, Chris destroyed our old doorbell, so we had to get a new one, and I chose to get a Westminster chime doorbell.
Good night, girls.
Good night, Mommy.
Good night, Mrs.
Percy. Whoa! What is this thing?
I have no idea. We should check this out. Why don't you step on it and see what happens?
Okay. Huh? What's happening? Oh my gosh. I have wings.
Wow, Penelope, I didn't know this would give us wings. Do you think they can make you fly?
Let's find out. Hey, I'm flying. Hey, Everly and Brenda, why don't you try it out?
Sure. I'll go first, then Brenda.
Police are on the lookout for a thin man wearing a clown costume.
What?
Wow. I have wings too. Wow. Now I'm flying.
My turn. My turn. Yay! Now I have wings, and now I'm flying just like both of you. Yay! We're all flying. Let's fly through the sky. Whee!
I feel like I'm a bird, flying through the sky.
Me too, little sister.
Since it is 3 a.m., I am going to pull the fire alarm and wake everybody up. And guys, just to let you know, the clocks, speakers, and fire alarms in most of the bedrooms are by the door, but you probably noticed that in Penelope's room, I put the fire alarm above her bed, and that's so that I can wake her up in the middle of the night whenever the hell I feel like it. Anyways, let's do this. When it's 3 o'clock in the morning and the fire alarm goes off. Wake up, everybody!
Oh my god. What's going on?
Brenda, the fire alarm is going off.
Oh no. We have to evacuate the house at 3 in the morning.
Are you all okay?
Yes, Mrs. Percy, we're okay. It's just hurting Penelope's ears.
Very unusual for the fire alarm to go off at 3 in the morning. It's so loud. Make it stop. Make it stop. Make it stop.
It's okay, Molly. It's just a fire alarm, and it will stop soon.
Mommy, I was just having this awesome dream that Everly, Brenda, and I found a magic circle that gave us wings so that we could fly. But then all of a sudden, the fire alarm started going off, and it woke all 3 of us up.
It's okay, Penelope. Daddy is just making sure there is no fire in the house. Then he'll shut off the alarm. Then once he verifies that it's safe to go back in, we'll go back in.
Thank goodness it's off. Wow. Why would the fire alarm go off at 3 a.m.?
I don't know, Brenda. We've had our smoke detectors chirping at 3 a.m., but we've never had them go off at 3 a.m. before.
All clear, everybody. You may now return to your beds.
All right, everyone, let's get back to bed, because it's 3:30.
Trading is not for everyone, but if you are a trader...
Boy, are we gonna be pretty tired.
Yeah, Penelope, we should probably sleep in for a little bit.
Yeah, let's get back to sleep. Good morning, Everly and Brenda.
Good morning, Penelope.
Let's go downstairs and have some breakfast.
Good morning, girls.
Good morning, Mommy.
Good morning, Mrs.
Percy.
So what would you girls like for breakfast?
I think I'll have a bowl of cereal.
Mrs. Percy, can you make me some toast, some bacon, and a glass of orange juice?
Sure, Everly, I'll do that for you. And what would you like for breakfast, Brenda?
I think I'll have some waffles and some strawberry milk, if you have any.
Well, I don't have strawberry milk, but I do have some Hershey strawberry syrup, so we can make strawberry milk. How does that sound?
Ooh, that sounds great. I've always wanted to learn how to make strawberry milk.
Wow! That was pretty damn funny how I woke up Penelope, Everly, Molly, and whoever the hell that other girl is with the fire alarm. It's a good thing that I hid some cameras around so that I could get it on video, and I even hid one in the car. Let's get the footage edited and posted on YouTube.
Not so fast, Chris.
Oh, you found out.
Chris, I just heard you say that you woke up at 3 a.m., got dressed at 3 a.m., and pulled the fire alarm and woke everybody up at 3 a.m. Now because of you doing that, Molly is sleepy and needs to nap a lot today. That's it, you are grounded for the rest of the week, and don't even think about posting the video on YouTube, or else you will be grounded longer.
Great! He didn't take away my computer this time. I'll upload the footage at some point.